Good evening, everybody. Good evening. We are back again trading with you. It's gonna be amazing. Gonna be life changing. So there's this strategy that I posted on my channel today, and I just want to quickly trade with you that are live. So it's a life changing strategy, and it's so amazing that you can make so much from it. So if you've not yet actually watched the strategy, ensure that you watch the strategy on our YouTube channel. The last video that I just posted, yes, that's where the strategy is. So basically, we are live trading. So we are now at 55 USD, and we are trying to at least make something that is at least for people that are just raising their capital. So we started this 50 USD with about 10 USD. It's now at 55 USD, and I sought to come live to you guys so that you can be part of our live smart trader strategy. So it depends with how much you're working with. So for example, according to our strategy, we said 8. So I can just quickly maybe probably show you one or two things that you have to get started with. So in order for you to get started with Smart Trader, you need to be on Deliv. Yes, it's only Deliv that offers Smart Trader, guys. These other blockers don't offer Smart Trader. So Smart Trader, you can only find it on Deliv, and we are running with 8 here. And yeah, so we've entered our first trade, and it's a win. It's a win. We have actually made a 1 USD. So this strategy is only you making 1 USD per. I can just say pay 3 seconds. So if you can see, we are now at 56 USD. We are now at 56 USD. Okay, we can enter another one. We can enter another one. We can enter another one. And boom, we have won again, guys. We are now at 57 USD. So it's almost every 3 seconds. This is one of the most powerful strategies that you can come across, guys. Like, it's very powerful. So the only thing that you have to come on Smart Trader. The moment you come on Smart Trader, you come on commodities, which is the lift. The lift, we are actually on volatility 25. On volatility 25, you can actually now come on trade type and go on mass and different uh, differs. And from here, you put the duration of 3 ticks, and we are now at 8. So what is determining us to be at 8? Um, Now we'll be at 7 because 17% is our highest. Let's put it this way. Okay, so 8 is at 12% as our highest. So the highest percentage on this last digit start is the one that we are putting here. So 8 we put there, and we can enter our trades just like that, and we win, as simple as that. So we have won that one. We are now at 50. We are now at 58. We started with 55. So it's actually less than 2 minutes when I started this live. I've already made 2 USD. So you can actually make a lot of money, guys, using this strategy that I just shared on my YouTube channel. If you want to really understand the strategy, go to the video that I just posted today, that where I explain in detail this strategy, so we can go again. So you're actually just putting 11 USD and you're gaining a 1 USD per trade. So you're literally just seated where you are and you are making 1 USD per trade. So if we raise it to 100 USD, we'll be making about somewhere about $9 per less than 2 minutes, guys. Less than 2 minutes, you make $9. You can actually sit the whole entire day. Just imagine, we started with 10 USD. We are now at 59. So we are raising small accounts. So we raise each and every day. We start a small account that is less than $1 sometimes, less than $10. I mean, less than $10, and sometimes we start with $10 and we raise that $100, and we pick another strategy that you can raise a 10 USD going, and sometimes we go as low as $1 because, for example, if you start with this strategy with $1 on the leave, in as much as for this strategy you're not making so much with $1, that's the main reason I recommend you use 11 USD. 11 USD you're making $1. But for example, for the previous strategy that we had for yesterday that I posted on my Telegram, and on my YouTube, I actually posted it. That one you can actually make about 4 USD per each and every trade if you put in a 10 USD. But for this one, you're actually just doing 11 USD and you're gaining $1. Yes, as simple as that. So 11 USD, we click and we wait for it and we win. As simple as this. This is simple. So we are from 50 USD, we are now at 60 USD. In less than 5 minutes, we've made 10 USD. And if at all we were trading with 100 USD right now, would have been sitting at 60 USD. So we are actually just raising small accounts because I'm coming up with these live videos each and every day so that those people that have as low as 10 USD can actually still get something from the financial market. I would want to hear your responses, guys. I want to hear your responses. If at all you have not yet started with the leave, I don't know what you're waiting for. If you have not yet gotten started with the leave, I don't know what you are basically waiting for, because that's the only way you can actually trade what we are trading. That's the only way you can trade what we're trading, guys, unless you are on the leave. So if you're not on the leave, it becomes difficult. It becomes extremely difficult in order for you to profit from this strategy. Yeah. So we go again, guys. We go again. So we are still on 8. It's the highest one. Yeah, it's the highest one, and we can actually go in again. Flat out, guys. Oh. So we win again, guys. We win. 1 USD is in again. 1 USD is in again. Yeah, a 1 USD is in again, guys. Can go again once again. We have won again. We are now at 62 USD. Yes, so you are making $1 each and every second. Okay, let's just put it. Have you seen the time clock, right? This is around 23:22. Have you seen, right? This is around 23:22, guys. This is life changing. Look how much you're making in a minute. Look how much you're making in a minute. Let me just check. Okay, it's still in our zone. It's still in our zone. We have not yet clocked the minute. We have made the 1 USD. We have made that profit. We go again. We have made another 1 USD. Not yet a minute. Not yet. Now, in a minute, guys, you are actually making about 3 USD in 1 minute, guys. In 1 minute, and you're just spending about 11 USD. We are talking about you making approximately how much in percentage? Let me just quickly show you in percentage. You're making about 9.6% of whatsoever that you're going to put on in less than 1 minute. You're making 3 times what you want to put it. So, for example, I'll just put it in 9.6 multiplied by 9.6 multiplied by 3. That's approximately how much? That's approximately above 28, somewhere there. You're making about 28% plus in 1 minute of every amount of money that you put on. Guys, this is so amazing. Have you seen? Have you seen? We have one as simple as that. We're gaining each and every minute, we're gaining $1. Each and every minute, we're gaining $1. Each and every minute, we're gaining $1. Guys, this is so mind blowing, and you can make so much. You can make so much. If you have any question over this strategy, you can actually ask in the chat box, and I'll be able to respond to you because we are trading live. I'll be able to respond to you if at all you have any question. If you have any question, how you get started, how you go about it, I'll be able to explain to you in detail. I'll be able to explain to you in detail how you go about this strategy. This is one of the most powerful strategies. This is amazing, guys. This is powerful. Ensure that you like our video. Ensure that you like our video and you share the video to as many people as So like I said, we have actually made over $6 over a space of just 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes since life started. Yeah, we have made so much. So you can actually make so much. So we have now changed to 7. It's now 7. Now it's at 7, and we can actually go for it. We have won another dollar there, and we can go again. We have won another dollar there, and we can go again. So if you have not yet understood this strategy, I posted my last video on YouTube. It's showing us how we're going about it. We are now at 70 USD. It's as simple as drinking water, guys. It's as simple as drink. And if you change here to something that is huge, like 20 USD, you're making about nearly $2. if you make it 22, you're actually just making around 2 USD per entry. Yeah, for example, if I click here, yeah, I've won that. It's about 2 USD, but I recommend for people to actually go for $11 if you're told you are still at less than $100 in your account. You actually trade. So you can start with 11 USD, raise it until you reach around somewhere 100 USD. When you move from 100 USD, you can actually start putting up 22 USD and raise it until you reach somewhere around 200 USD. If you reach 200 USD, raise it around somewhere 33 USD. So each and every stage that you make, ensure that you are using your risk management well. You can't really go with a small account like 72 USD and you're going all out. Yeah. Yeah. For example, we can still go and we still gain. Yeah, we have won. I've won 100 USD. 1 USD. I'm used with long big figures. So this is all about raising accounts, small accounts from as small as 11 USD to something that is at least 100, 200 that you can get started with signals that we post in our Telegram channel. Because some of you are having challenges of money to get started with, you're having challenges with um, capital and all that stuff. But with these strategies that I come up with each and every time, they help you raise an account to a point whereby you are comfortable and you're able to trade nicely. So, for example, we are just saying that each and every $11, you'll be gaining a $1. In less than a minute, guys, you can make $3. This is a 11:30 p.m. Let's try this. Okay, let it be first 11:30 p.m. Okay, let's try this. I show you what I'm talking about. You see, $1. And actually we started, which is already even at 11:30. We started even when it was at 11:30. Let me show you what I mean. As you can see, there. $31. We actually lost that one, huh? There's one that we lost. What was the problem? The one that we lost. Okay, anyway, we are still closing well. We're still closing well. We're still in our range. We're still in our range. Just a minute. That almost hit us. So let's try to check what's going on 25. Okay. So it's changing to 8. We'll go at 8. 8 is to our advantage. It is to our advantage. Can go again. If you want. Okay. So you just take your time. Yeah, there can be losses here and there, but overall you will make a lot from this. That's the main reason I'm saying that be cautious about it. Be cautious about it. Don't be greedy. Take your time. It's not every minute that you have to trade. I'm just showing you here how it's working, but don't be a kind of a person that is greedy, that wants to make a lot, that wants to make so much, and in a short period of time you'll lose money. So ensure that you are taking your time and you're going for the highs. You're going for the highs. So the highest high, that's the one you pick. The highest high, you pick that one. The highest high, you pick that one. As simple as that. So it's very simple and straightforward. So if you have any questions, you can ask. It's very simple and straightforward.